our way to Villa Filomena, a place with a good side of nature. A glimpse of our Dada driving and us. Mama is capturing this moment. And here we are, a place where you can see a lot of green. Mama enjoys this kind of view. She feels relaxed and she wants us to see and appreciate this kind of paradise. We can see the panorama of the sky. It is so clear and blue. Arriving now at Villa Filomena. The view here is very nature and it's so breathtaking. The infinity pool. We are not allowed here, the water is deep. This is a river. Adults are allowed to bungee jump here. The nature view while you swim. And here we are at the top. This is a kiddie pool. The water is all natural. This is a freshwater pool. It is cold and clean. Kids are enjoying. Graham, where are you?
With all the buildings and upgrades of our environment, it's nice to see a bit of green trees, mountain and nature. It is nice to show our kids and teach them to appreciate and to care. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.